Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing is a little bit unexpected because after I ordered the bag, I got the tracking, but the tracking was never work and they ship it so fast that I didn't expect it to show up today. And as you can see, I already opened it up. This is the first time I purchased from this company. I bought their clothing before, but first time buying their bag, so a lot of good packaging here, as you can see. Very good packaging. So this is a bag from Sandro, and here is the dust bag. I think they call it Sandro-Paris. So really nice quality dust bag. See, you cannot see through my hands, so it's a good thickness for this dust bag. And here's the bag. They have one in black color as well, but since I have so many black color bags, so I decided to try it with this kind of a olive green color. So the good thing about this company is they claim to work with tannery that prioritize the environment and all that. So it's good to see company that focus on that. So let's look through this bag a little bit. This is the first time I see this bag in person. The back of the bag, the side, is a pretty straightforward kind of boat tote kind of style. On the front, you have this Sandro logo patch, and then I like that they include this cute kind of back charm, metal back charm. It really adds a lot to the bag. The leather feels pretty good so far. I'm going to take the stuffing out to see how it looks inside. So here is inside the bag. Pretty simple. One side you have a slip pocket. I thought it has a zipper closure, but it actually is a slip pocket. But the design is pretty cool. The design of this slip pocket is pretty cool, and it has their branding here. And then the bag has magnetic closure. So let's see. Not a very strong magnet. It works, but not very strong. So I don't think if you put things inside this bag, the magnet will close very well. So this bag is a little bit different from the usual totes that I got. Usually when I get totes, I prefer to have a crossbody feature, to have the crossbody strap, but this one is the only top handle. There's no place to attach any crossbody straps. The reason I get this because I'm considering getting the dual book tote. I mean the leather version. I would never spend so much money on the canvas version, but I'm just not sure that I'm the kind of person that can just get used to carrying top handle bags. I'm considering getting more top handle bags because I figure if I'm just going out for lunch and not going for shopping, you know, if I go out for dinner, it's basically I carry my stuff from the car to the restaurant, from the home to my car, so I don't really need a crossbody strap unless I walk around a lot. So that's the reason why I decided I want to try the top handle bag that without the crossbody feature. I know that sounds a little bit funny because, you know, all totes could be top handle if you remove the crossbody features. So anyway, you always find reason for yourself to buy more bag, right? I mean, so far the leather feels pretty good. I think it's really well coated though. Feel a little waxy. So well, I'm not sure how well this handle scratches. I think my prediction is it should be pretty good with scratches, and I don't think you need to worry if it's just a light rain. I don't think the water will seep through the leather texture. So I really like how this color looks, and looking forward to take it out and try it out and see if I like this bag. Have you bought anything from Sandro before? Let me know what you think about their bag or their products, and if you have anything you like to recommend from them, let me know. Or any top handle bags that you think is worth trying, please let me know. Thanks, and hopefully my next package show up soon. Bye.